Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to you all in our today's first day of the kids memory enhancement workshop. Okay, so today we'll be starting with this. Okay, so today we'll be discussing about foods that are useful to enhance your kids memory power. Okay, to increase their memory, to increase their concentration and things. Okay, so let's just start with this day one. In this 3 days workshop, okay, you will be learning about many things, like including your foods which are good for your kids, like which we are talking about it today. Okay, then you will also be learning about mudras, acupressure points, and we have added something more interesting for you, that is switch words and Zibu symbols. Okay, that will also help you. Okay, so let's start from the foods. Okay, so our first food is nuts. Almonds, cashews, walnuts, raisins, anything, any kind of nuts. They are very beneficial for you. Okay, they contain a host of brain boosting properties, nutrients including vitamin E, healthy fats, plant-based compounds and antioxidants. What they contain? They contain vitamin E, healthy fatty acids. They have brain boosting nutrients. Then they have many antioxidants which are very helpful for our brain. Then while having all these nuts, okay, if you are having walnut is actually best for increasing your brain powers. Okay, it has anti-inflammatory omega-3 fatty acid. Walnut has anti-inflammatory omega-3 fatty acid. Okay, so it is actually very beneficial for our brain. Okay, many foods do not contain this kind of fatty acids, which is omega-3 fatty acids. Very rare food contain it, so you should definitely have walnuts daily. Like your kids, you should always include walnuts in daily. So what you can do is you can start your day with some handful of, like you can say your children to start their day with a handful of nuts. Okay, I'll not say just eat any one nut. No, you can mix 2-3 nuts together. Okay, like having 2-3 pieces of almonds, 2-3 pieces of cashews, 2-3 pieces of walnuts. Okay, or any other kind of you can use according to yourself. Okay, then the second food is our coffee. Drinking coffee is also very beneficial for kids. Okay, it helps to boost alertness and mood. What it helps? It helps to boost your child's alertness. Like how much he's alert, what he's reading, he's alert. Is his subconscious mind also over there, or is it roaming somewhere else? Okay, so to maintain alertness about the study he's doing, okay, he or she is doing, for that you can always give a cup of coffee to children. It also helps to sharpen their concentration and to enhance their mood. Okay, if their mood is enhanced, if their mood is good, then only they will be able to study properly, right? Then our next food is turmeric. Turmeric has a very good and then our next food is turmeric. Turmeric has a very good active compound which is called as curcumin. What it is called as curcumin. Okay, it has that anti-active compound. It is very beneficial for our brain. It has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant benefits. Okay, it helps to increase our memory. Then if anyone has problem of depression, stress, anxiety and things, it will help to relieve that also. Okay, it also helps to grow new brain cells in our brain. Okay, like brain cells, it helps to enhance their growth. It helps to enhance the growth of the brain cells of the brain. Okay, then the next food we have is pumpkin seeds. It contains many powerful antioxidants that protect the body and brain from free radical damage. Okay, what are free radicals? Free radicals are things which can harm our body. Okay, they are radicals which roam everywhere in our body and they can actually harm our body, organs, our cells. Okay, so to protect that, okay, to protect from our free radical, pumpkin seeds actually help. Okay, it contains many micronutrients which are important for our brain functioning. Okay, it has many micronutrients, like excellent sources. Okay, it is an excellent source of magnesium, copper, iron and zinc. And we have next is our dark chocolate. Dark chocolate, it has flavonoids, okay, which help to protect the brain. They also help to protect our brain from the damage of the free radicals, okay. Studies also suggest that eating chocolate, especially dark chocolate, can boost both your memory and mood. Okay, studies suggest that eating dark chocolate will help you to increase your memory and mood. So if your memory is improved, like, so whatever you are reading, you will be able to remember it in your mind. Otherwise, what happens now? You read many things. You read, I have learned this, I have learned this, I have learned this, your kid will say. Okay, but what if he doesn't remember it during his exams? What if that problem occurs? What will we do, right? So for that, so that his memory is increased, you can always have walnuts, you can have pumpkin seeds, then you can have dark chocolates, you can have coffee. And next food, which is in our list, is our oranges and citric fruits. Having different types of citric fruits, okay, which are high in vitamin C. As we all know, citric fruits are high in vitamin C. Okay, and studies suggest that having good amount of vitamin C may improve brain tasks. Okay, it will help you to increase or improve your brain task. Okay, or it will improve your brain's functioning, which also help in like involving your focus, memory, attention and decision making power. It will help to increase your memory, focus, attention and decision making power. Vitamin C is also a very useful, very powerful antioxidant, which also helps to fight against free radicals which are just roaming anywhere around our body and brain. Okay, then examples of citric fruits are guava, okay, or oranges. You can also have kiwi, tomatoes, strawberries, etc. Then next is berries. Berries are also very good. Okay, they are actually very good. Eating different types of berries is actually very good. Okay, they boost our learning and memory. Like whatever you are learning, are you able to grasp that or not? They increase that. Okay, then they are packed with antioxidants which may help to delay brain aging. Brain aging is actually, like, we can say that our brain, after a point of time, our brain starts like aging, and it starts working that goodly like it is working right now, right? So it will help to reduce that too. So right now, currently we have discussed about foods that will help you to increase your memory and brain, especially for your children. It is not only basically for children, but anyone who is having problem with their memory issues can use this, all things, okay? So today we'll also be discussing about our Zibu symbols. Okay, so we'll discuss about our Zibu symbols today. So we'll be discussing two Zibu symbols today. One is the centeredness. First Zibu symbol is it is called as the centeredness. Okay, so it is specially for concentration. It is specially to increase concentration in our kids. Like if a child is doing study and his concentration is not in that, but his concentration is on the TV which is going running in the house. His concentration is on the TV which is on, okay, or his concentration is on his phone. He is not able to study well because of that, okay, or his concentration is on kids who are playing down and he also wants to go out and play with them. So any kind of that situation, like this, centeredness will help. Okay, so it will make him feel centered or feel centered towards his study. Okay, so like what does centeredness means? It's like to gain your attention towards one thing, to a particular thing. So like while doing study, you can always use this centeredness symbol. How we have to make this symbol, I'll just show you. Okay, we need to make this symbol specially with the orange pen. Okay, you have to draw it with the orange pen only. Okay, both the symbols are with the orange pen. You can use marker, you can use sketch pen, you can use any kind of gel pens or anything in orange color. Okay, you can make this symbol on your kid's hand, on the left side of the body. Okay, only on the left side of the body you can make it, and only with orange color. Okay, or what you can do is, like, this is my desk, right, where I am doing my work. Wherever your kid is studying, you can just draw it on a page of paper. On a paper you can draw that. Okay, and you can stick on his study desk. Okay, or wherever his eyes, like, or at any point you can stick it anywhere, whichever, like, he can see it. Okay, well, on that portion you can always stick it. On the wall itself, it is okay. Our second symbol is persistence. Our second symbol is persistence. Persistent symbol helps to connect you with your goal. What it actually helps is, it helps to make you disciplined in life. Okay, it helps to make you disciplined in life, and once you are disciplined, you will actually go and focus towards your goal, right? I'm saying right? Okay, so it will help you to make to be disciplined towards your goal, and when you are disciplined towards your goal, you will actually go and do all that things, right? So this symbol also you have to draw with orange pen. How we have to make this symbol, I'll just show you. Okay, so these were our two Zibu symbols. I hope you have found it interesting. Okay, you can draw it on hand, on the left side of your body, or on any kind of page you can draw these symbols. Okay, and you can stick on your children's study table or a wall where he will look properly. Okay, so then that's for the day. So we have learned this many things today. Tomorrow we will be talking about acupressure points, and on the third day we will be knowing about mudras and switch words. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you so much.